Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to use LinkedIn ads to grow your business. Let's start. So back in the days, LinkedIn is just used for professional network. Like it's like your online resume wherein you could highlight like what your accomplishments are until it has evolved and it has become a platform where business and different organizations can actually set up their profile here as well. And then, it's an opportunity or a platform where you could grow your business. So most of the time we just, log into our LinkedIn, just checking for jobs or seeking for jobs, or just really building your network. But what I would like to introduce you today is the marketing solutions that you have for LinkedIn. So basically it's paid ads, and then you can customize it based on what your needs. So you go to business.linkedin.com/marketing-solutions, and there's a way for you to actually choose what kind of ads or advertising that you think would benefit your business. So in this case, once you're in this site, you hover in advertising, and you could see like objectives here on how you wanted to grow your business. So say for example, if you just want to build your brand, so you click on awareness. If you want to get customers to take action rather than just following or just looking at your business, so you click on consideration. And if you want to convert your leads, so just click on this one. So say for instance, I just want to have like awareness for now because I'm a startup business, so you could definitely have this. Okay, so when you have this one, guys, it would give you like step by step on how you would actually create your ad. Bear in mind as well that there is a campaign manager also for LinkedIn that you could optimize. And if you want to learn more about LinkedIn, you could definitely subscribe to our channel so you can learn more. But pretty much this is where you would go for you to grow your business by using these ads. There's like a template here that you could actually follow. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.